All right, so I think the next thing that I want you guys to do is do a little brainstorm activity. And so in your Jamboard, create a Jamboard, and we're just going to do Post-it notes. So if I do a little sticky note, I'm just going to write topics that I found of interest when I was doing my research. So I might have like stats. It doesn't have to be caps. I might have, and we're just going to do a bunch of these sticky notes. Data. And you just keep filling these sticky notes. And you can change the colors like this. You don't have to. You could color coordinate things if you want, or color coordinate them at the end, but it doesn't matter. These are just like Post-it notes. Article 1, effects of brain trauma. Did I spell that right? Yeah. Injury. And so you're going to take all the ideas that you have, and you're just going to create a ton of these Post-it notes. And you just take 5-10 minutes and just type as many Post-it notes as you want, and whatever you could think of. And then the second part of that is, once you get a bunch of these notes, what I think is a good idea, as they're all mixed up, is you want to try to cluster them, right? And try to cluster them. Try to cluster into 3 or 4 clusters. Okay, and so once you get all the Post-it notes, what I really want you guys to do is just go ahead and say, okay, this is cluster 1, this belongs over here. This is cluster 2, this belongs over here. This is cluster 3. And now sometimes you're going to get stuck where you're like, do I put this in cluster 2? Do I put it in cluster 3? You can put it in the middle. And this is just organizational, try to get some ideas of what you're going to do. So that's it for today's assignment. When you're done with this, share it with me, and then also submit it through Canvas. Thanks.